Step into the 2005 Dodge Caravan Say. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: driver vanity mirror, wheel covers, passenger airbag sensor, fourth passenger door, cruise control, third passenger door, AC, and intermittent wipers. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.